Good morning, Zella. Did you sleep okay? Can you take that out of your mouth and talk to us, please? Good morning. How are you? Did you sleep okay? Could you get doggy for us? Could you get doggy for us? Hey, Zella, what do you want? Do you want black and white doggy? Zella, do you want hippo? What else do you want? Do you want Alan? Alan Lamb? Got him? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Should we get out of here? Should we get out of here? Should we get out of here? Do you have doggy? You want to take doggy out of... Oh, it's time to get out, so we have to take doggy. Out? Out? Okay, say goodbye.